Hello everyone, how are you? Today in this video, I will discuss about Saudi Arabia's new visa rule, which will be in A4 paper with QR code. Recently, I received a lot of comments, messages from my English viewers who were requesting me to make videos in English. Actually, my English is not so good and my pronunciation is also not good. So that's why I feel nervous to make videos in English. But now I have decided I will make videos in English also, so that I can make my English good and you people will also understand the information who are not understanding Hindi. So guys, let me inform you, last week actually we have received one circular from GSEA. GSEA, which is known as the Civil Aviation Authority of Saudi Arabia. In Hindi you can say Udan Mantralay. Actually, GSEA has published one circular to all the airlines company who are operating flights to the kingdom. They mentioned 7 countries actually, and from that 7 countries, passenger can come now without sticker visa. They will get a simple A4 paper visa with QR code, and all the airlines can validate through this QR code. They will get all the visa information. Even GSEA said all the visa which was issued before 1st May, that will be also cancelled, and they will issue A4 paper visa. But recently I have received a lot of messages from my viewers. They were saying they contacted agencies, agents, offices for their A4 visa because their sticker visa was issued last week. Some people has received before 10 days, before 15 days. But all the office and agents were saying they have no idea about it. So now they have big tension that what they will do. Will airlines allow them to travel or not? This is a big question. So firstly, let me share you the circular which was published by GSEA. In this circular, what GSEA said, the work, visit, residence, 3 type of visas, sticker issued by the kingdom's representatives. Representative means embassy, right? In the following countries: United Arab Emirates, Egypt, Jordan, Indonesia, Philippines, India, Bangladesh. These are the 7 countries. Is cancelled as the sticker has been replaced by an A4 size paper containing passengers' visa information. Means these 7 countries sticker visa is cancelled and they issued a paper visa with QR code. Now GSEA has given an instruction also to the all airlines. I will read it now. All airlines are allowed to transport passengers coming to the kingdom holding work, visit, resident visas from the above mentioned countries without the need for visas sticker. Airlines can verify the validity of the visas via the QR code printed on A4 size paper, which contains the passenger's visa information. This circular is effective from 1st May 2023. Failure to comply with the circulars issued by GSEA is an explicit violation of government's orders. Legal procedures shall be initiated against the violators, who will be held responsible. This is clear message from GSEA to the all airlines that they will have to allow all passengers coming from these 7 countries with A4 paper QR code visa. If they will not allow, they will be penalized. Guys, remember it, I already named these 7 countries. This rule is implemented for only these 7 countries which is mentioned in the circular. It is not for Pakistan. पाकिस्तान का नाम इस सर्कुलर में नहीं है. इवन नेपाल का भी नाम नहीं है. श्रीलंका इज ऑल्सो नॉट हेयर. श्रीलंका का भी नाम नहीं है. सो हेयर आई वुड लाइक टू सजेस्ट यू गाइज हुज वीज़ा इज ऑलरेडी स्टम्प्ड इन देयर पासपोर्ट. अगर पासपोर्ट में आपका वीज़ा ऑलरेडी स्टिकर लग गया है, इशू हो गया है, यू शुड कॉन्टैक्ट योर एजेंट. यू शुड कॉन्टैक्ट द कंसल्टेंसी, द ऑफिस फ्रॉम वेयर यू ऑलरेडी डन इट. आप उनसे कॉन्टैक्ट कीजिए जहाँ से आपका वीज़ा स्टम्प हुआ है. एंड सेकेंड थिंग, यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट द एयरलाइंस ऑल्सो. इफ़ यू हैव ऑलरेडी बुकड योर टिकट आफ्टर 1st May, you can contact airlines also and ask them, clear with them, they will allow you with the sticker visa or not. आप में से जिसने भी टिकट बुक कर लिया है, 1st May के बाद आप ट्रेवल करना सोच रहे हो, आप एयरलाइंस वालों से भी कांटेक्ट कीजिए, उनसे कंफर्मेशन लीजिए. एंड वी हैव लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर बोदर दैट विल दे हैव टू पे एक्स्ट्रा चार्ज फॉर A4 वीज़ा. I don't think so. You will not have to pay extra charge because embassy will only replace it. I don't think you will have to pay extra charge. आप लोगों को कोई extra charge नहीं pay करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि इस circular में, in this circular there is nothing mentioned like this that you will have to pay extra charge for it. Hope I have cleared your all doubts. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe my channel and encourage me. Take care. Thank you so much for watching.